Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I am Ryan, and this is Jessica.
Hi, friends! Welcome to our English story about a new smartphone today.
Today, you will learn simple English words about phones and easy problem solving.
The level is mostly A1, with some B1 sentences near the end.
Please subscribe to our channel and join more easy English text stories.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from.
Hey, Jessica. Good to see you. How are you doing today?
Hi, Ryan. I am okay, but my new phone is confusing.
What is the problem with your new smartphone? Can you show me?
The screen is very different. I cannot find simple settings at all.
Okay, first, this is the home screen. These small pictures are apps.
Apps, right? I know some apps, but these icons look strange.
This small gear symbol is settings. We use settings to change many things.
Settings. I need settings for sound, screen, and internet, I think.
I will open settings now. First tap here, then we see many options.
Okay, I see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth display, and sound. Many new words.
Let us start with Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is wireless internet for your phone.
So, Wi-Fi means my phone can connect to my home internet router.
To turn on Wi-Fi, swipe down, then tap the Wi-Fi symbol here.
Swipe means move my finger, like this, from top to bottom.
Now we choose your home network and enter the password to connect.
I see the signal bars become full. That means strong internet connection.
Your screen is very dark. Let us increase brightness so it is easier.
Yes, please. Low brightness makes my eyes tired. I prefer brighter screens.
See this slider? Slide right for more brightness, left for less brightness.
Now I understand. I can control the screen brightness easily by moving this slider.
Great, now you try alone, open settings and go to sound options.
Okay, I tap the gear, then scroll and choose sound. I can follow.
Remember, ringtone is for calls and media is for videos and music.
That is helpful. Sometimes I want loud calls, but quiet videos at night.
This mode is called Do Not Disturb. It silences notifications for some time.
Nice. I can study or sleep without constant notifications and still keep the phone on.
You are doing great. Now you are not just copying, you are exploring.
Yes, I feel more independent. I can experiment and understand new icons faster now.
When you learn new technology, go slowly, repeat steps, and use simple words.
Yes, and do not fear mistakes. Practice makes these settings feel much easier.
So, how do you feel about your new smartphone now, honestly?
At first I felt stupid, but now I feel curious and more confident.
Technology is a language too. Step-by-step explanations can really reduce stress and fear.
Thanks for your patience. Clear examples and repetition helped me remember the new vocabulary.
Let us review. We learned words like app, settings, Wi-Fi, brightness, and slider.
We also practiced steps. Swipe down, tap icons, adjust volume, and explore new menus.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and practice these words again. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Jessica.
Thank you all for learning with us. See you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye, Ryan. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Cannot equals negative ability. These small pictures are apps. B sentence gives a definition. These icons look strange. Look plus adjective equals appearance. This small gear symbol is settings. Noun plus is plus noun names an icon. We use settings to change many things. To plus verb shows purpose. I need settings for sound. For plus noun shows purpose. I think softens the claim. Polite hedge. I will open settings now. Will plus verb equals instant decision. First tap here. Then we see many options. Imperatives for step-by-step tips. Wi-Fi is wireless internet swipe means move my finger. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. My phone can connect to my home. Internet can plus base verb equals ability. To turn on Wi-Fi, swipe down then tap the Wi-Fi symbol here. Sequence markers guide action. Now we choose your home network. Enter the password to connect. Parallel verbs share one subject. Your screen is very dark. Let us increase brightness. Let us equals gentle group suggestion. Yes, please. Extra polite short response. I prefer brighter screens. Comparative adjective. Brighter. See the slider? Slide right for more brightness, left for less brightness. We learned words like app, settings past, simple for completed action. I will show when to use them in real life. Good to see you. Helped me remember the new vocabulary help plus object plus base verb. Warm phrase for friendly tone. Open settings and go to sound options. Direct imperative, stronger tone. What is the problem? What question with be verb? Can you show me? Polite question with modal can. How are you doing today? Friendly present continuous form. My new phone is confusing. Be plus adjective to show feeling. I cannot find simple settings at all.